In today's video, I'm going to teach you add an image. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll confidently place an image on your page using a simple drag and drop process, choose the file you want, and see it appear exactly where you need it. First, open your page or layout in your editor and look for the image widget in the Elements panel. If there's a search bar, just type image to find it quickly. When you see the image widget, click and hold it, then drag it onto the part of the page where you want the picture to live. As you move it around, you'll notice visual cues that show potential drop zones. Release it when the highlighted area matches your intended spot. You should now see a placeholder where your image will appear, making it easy to confirm that you've placed the widget in the right section. Next, click the button that says Choose Image. This opens your media dialog, where you can either bring in a new file from your device or pick one you've already uploaded. The interface usually gives you a preview area and some basic details so you can be sure you're working with the right file. If you're uploading from your computer, you can either drag and drop the file directly into the window or use the Upload button to browse. Most editors support common formats like JPG, PNG, and sometimes SVG for vector graphics. For best results, use an image that's already sized appropriately for your layout and compressed to balance quality and performance. A quick pass through an image optimizer before uploading can help your pages load faster without sacrificing clarity. Meaningful file names are also helpful for staying organized, especially if you manage a lot of media. If the image is already in your media library, simply select it. You can scroll, use filters, or search by name to find exactly what you need. Take a moment to preview the image so you know you've got the right one. When you're ready, confirm your choice in the media dialog. The editor will close, and your selected image will immediately appear inside the widget on your page. At this point, your image is in place. Many editors let you adjust details like size, alignment, or a short description known as alternative text. While those options are optional, adding a brief, accurate description can improve accessibility and help search engines understand your content. If the image looks too large or too small, consider resizing the original file and re-uploading for the sharpest results. That's it. You've dragged the image widget, clicked Choose Image, and uploaded or selected your file to get it on the page. Simple, clean, and effective.